Here's a list of 10 plants that should place indoor to make your environment healthy. 1. Spider plant. Plants you must keep indoor to purify room air. The NASA study found that the spider plant can remove up to 90% of harmful indoor air pollutants, such as formaldehyde, that potentially cause cancer. It removed up to 10,378 micrograms of formaldehyde over 24 hours, removes carbon monoxide, xylene, formaldehyde, and toluene, removes ozone, increases humidity in the house. It is safe for cats and dogs. 2. Snake plant. A mother-in-law's tongue, snake plant, with a total leaf surface area of 3,474 can. Remove up to 9,727 micrograms of formaldehyde and other indoor toxins in 24 hours. The plant can thrive in clay soil but prefers a well-draining potting mix. Snake plants are safe for cats and dogs except when ingested in large amounts. 3. Devil's ivy. Devil's ivy, pothose, has been found to absorb toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene from the surrounding environment through its heart-shaped foliage. 4. Dracaena. In the NASA air purification study, various species of Dracaena were found to be among the best plants for cleaning indoor air naturally. Dracaena fragrance is popular for its ability to remove formaldehyde and benzene from indoor air. There are many varieties, but the most common one is Warnecki. Warneckii Dracaena reaches up to 5 feet tall and about 24 inches wide when potted indoors. 5. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palms cleanse the air by removing formaldehyde, commonly found in many household cleaning products like bleach, detergents, fabric softeners, toilet cleaners, etc. This plant can also remove benzene, toluene, and xylene from indoor air. 6. Peace lily. According to the NASA study, a peace lily with a foliage surface area of 7,960 square centimeters removed 392 micrograms of benzene toxin from indoor air within 24 hours. This statistic makes the Mauna Loa variety of peace lily one of the best air-filtering plants. You can grow indoors for clean oxygen. Peace lilies can also remove ammonia, formaldehyde, and xylene. The only downside is that it is not safe for cats and dogs. 7. Weeping fig. Weeping figs grow 3 to 6 foot tall indoors, which is why I categorize them as great for indoor air purification in homes with limited space. Since these figs doesn't require much light to grow, place closer to windows in rooms with low light such as bedrooms and bathrooms. 8. Banana plant. Dwarf banana plants, Musa oriena, can be grown indoors because they are large-leafed, which means they have a big surface area for absorbing toxins and releasing refreshing clean oxygen for you to breathe. Dwarf banana plants, Musa oriena, can be grown indoors because they are large-leafed, which means they have a big surface area for absorbing toxins and releasing refreshing clean oxygen for you to breathe. 9. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen plants are best suited to grow in a bedroom or bathroom with low light conditions as they are small-sized with big leaves. Their surface area is large, so they release much oxygen into the atmosphere. However, they do require moderate to high humidity for growth, which is why I like growing them in bathrooms. If the humidity in your house is low, you want to mist the Chinese evergreen plant frequently to keep it healthy and happy. 10. Aloe vera plant. According to NASA, an aloe vera succulent with a total leaf surface area of about 713 square centimeters can remove up to 1,555 micrograms of formaldehyde from indoor air in 24 hours. Aloe vera is a common natural medicinal succulent that purifies indoor air. This succulent grows well in fairly low light conditions and has been shown to be effective at removing formaldehyde and benzene from the air, 2 of the most common toxins found indoors. If you watched it all, please subscribe.